Good morning, this is Mike with Wimpy's Plumbing and Air out here at the Guerin residence. We are in the back of the house, fixing to go down the clean out that serves the west side of the house, 2 bathrooms. As we're going up line, you can immediately see there's a crack right in the bottom of the pipe here. The crack is continuing. Still continuing with the crack. Crack goes to the right there. On the left is the first bathroom. We'll go up that in a second. Line appears to be holding some water. Line transitions to PVC. For about 3 feet. Comes back to iron. And there we are at the high-end bathroom toilet. And there's, as we come back, see if we can get a little better view. Prior to hydrojetting this line, it was completely full of roots and a lot more scaled. We have removed a lot of debris out of the line and the roots. There's a crack at the top of the pipe, right at the 12 o'clock position. And then we're back to the main crack coming in. We're going to pull it back out, pause for a second, string our line so we can get up to this bathroom. Alright, we've strung our line. We're going to come up this lateral here. And up this lateral, we're going to immediately get to the toilet. Going to pause again here. We're back in the main line again. You can see the crack on the top a little bit better, and you can also see to the left there is a small little piece of root hanging. Alright. Alright, I've got the kitchen running now so we can try and locate it in this line. As we pull back, you can see root debris growing on this kitchen branch right there at the top of the pipe. Organic matter. Roots are still present right there. That's definitely the kitchen line. It's corroded off, but flowing. Had to get rid of my sled to get in there a little further, but you can definitely see the root intrusion right there on that Y for the kitchen, right in your screen there. Just pause here, take our sled off, see if we can get up that branch. Alright, we were just able to turn up this kitchen branch. I'm going to try and push up, see how far we can get. Hey Brittany. Alright, we're back up the kitchen line here. This 2-inch line. We're just kind of waiting for the water to die off so we can get a better view of what we're seeing. Just take a few minutes here. Alright, water's dying off. Appears to be roots in front of us as we push forward. A lot of sludge, debris, and corrosion in here. Let this water drain off again. See if we can get a better picture. Keep pushing forward, hopefully get a better view on the way out. And now we're at the base of the sweep. So we'll pull back and see if we can get a little better view out of the water. Some organic material there. Could be roots, could be hair. That one's a little tough to tell. There appears to be a root hanging top of the screen. A lot of sludge build up there. another potential root in the top of the screen about 1 o'clock. We're about to come back out into the main line, looks like. There's roots build up right here. And we're back into the main line underwater because it's sitting about a quarter full. This will conclude our video of this side. Alright, we are at the east side of the house. This would be for the master bathroom. Upon previous cameraing, it is PVC inside all the way out to this 3-inch clean out right here. We're going to go downstream underneath this big monster tree where there is cast iron that has become a problem. Immediately turns the cast iron under the tree. As you can see, the line is holding half full of water. It is being pushed up by the tree roots and was not replaced during the sewer replacement. Line is completely full of water here. Now we're starting to get about 3/4 full. Still iron. And we're back to the PVC sewer. That goes out around the house. The PVC sewer outside the house is in good condition with no issues. And the problem lies in this short piece of iron here underneath the tree where it's sitting underwater due to the tree roots uprooting it. Whoever plumbed the sewer chose to leave it in place so as not to have to deal with the tree. The tree will need to be removed in order to correct this problem. There's a root right there in this pipe. You can see it growing out of the side through that small, thin crack. That will cause problems. Back out. This will conclude our video of the master bath side of the house.